Hi, I'm Navjeet Singh, and you're watching Beyond Tips, where we simplify business intelligence step by step. So, if you're learning Power BI or thinking about starting, but you're not really sure where Power BI is used in real jobs, this video will make things very clear for you. A lot of beginners jump straight into visuals or calculations, but they don't really understand why they're doing it. So, that's where the confusion starts. So, let's first understand what Power BI is used for in the real world. So let's start by understanding what Power BI is. Power BI is a business intelligence tool used to convert raw data into clear interactive dashboards. So in simple terms, companies use Power BI to answer questions like how are sales performing, or what are the products or regions which are doing well, or what is the sales comparison between this month and last month, or where the business or the leadership teams should focus. So now let's understand who uses Power BI. Power BI is not just used by data analysts, it is used by business analysts, sales and leadership teams. Analysts build the dashboards and managers and executives use them daily to make decisions. Power BI reports needs to be clear, simple and trustworthy, not just colorful. Now let's understand the real job use cases where the Power BI is used. One example is sales team might use it to track KPIs like total sales, monthly trends, top customers, or underperforming regions. Another example is like the operations team might use it to track delivery times or inventory levels or maybe process delays. In real jobs, Power BI is not about fancy charts, it is about making visuals understandable and helping decision makers to answer quickly. If you are a beginner, you should first understand the data, clean the data, and then create simple, meaningful visuals. And you need to build dashboards that tell clear story. Concepts like DAX, which is the formula language in Power BI, are important, but understanding the fundamentals is the first priority. So if basics are clear, everything else becomes much easier. All right, now we understand what is Power BI, who uses Power BI, and what are the real job use cases, and we understood like as a beginner where you should focus on. On this channel, I focus on explaining Power BI and related concepts clearly and without unnecessary complexity. So, if you have just started learning Power BI, the next step will be to understand the difference between Power BI desktop and Power BI service. So, I have explained this clearly in my next video. So, if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe, it really helps the channel. You can click on the next video here, and I'll see you in the next one.